Hey there, and welcome to Lumen IQ Training and Consultancy, where we turn the blah into brilliance. Today we present to you the business case according to APM. Ever had a brilliant idea but no one wanted to fund it? Imagine proposing $1 billion Mars colony without a solid plan. Yikes! This is why projects need a business case. What we'll cover in this video include: first, the key elements of a business case. Second, powerful tools to analyze business cases, PESTLE, SWOT and VUCA. And third, why regularly reviewing a business case is crucial for success. Let's dive in. What is a business case? The Association for Project Management, APM, says a business case provides justification for undertaking a project, program, or portfolio. It evaluates the benefit, cost, and risk of alternative options and provides a rationale for the preferred solution. Why business cases matter? A well-structured business case means smarter decisions and successful projects. It prevents wasted resources, ensures strategic alignment with company goals, identifies potential risks early, and gains stakeholder approval. A strong business case includes these 5 essential components. Strategic context. Why is this project needed? This is the case for change. Economic analysis. What are the benefits versus costs? This is the return on investment based on the investment appraisal of options. Commercial approach. What's the procurement and contracting strategy? Financial case. How will we fund this project? This outlines the affordability to the organization in the agreed time frame. Management approach. How will we execute and govern this project? This outlines the roles, governance structure, life cycle choice, and so on. Miss any of these, and your business case could fall apart. Before jumping in, we need to analyze the environment. 3 powerful tools help us do just that. First is PESTLE. PESTLE helps us understand external factors that could impact the project. It can be used to consider the environment and to establish options for consideration. Think of PESTLE as scanning the world to see if your project has smooth sailing or stormy waters ahead. Political factors include government policies, regulations, trade laws, and internal politics. Economic factors cover inflation, interest rates, market trends, and project funding. Social factors look at consumer behavior, demographics, public opinion, and the impact of stakeholders on risks and outcomes. Technological factors involve innovation, automation, cybersecurity, and the use of emerging technology. Legal factors encompass industry regulations and compliance requirements. Environmental factors consider sustainability, carbon footprint, and climate risks. Next is SWOT analysis. SWOT focuses on internal strengths and weaknesses while spotting external opportunities and threats. It may be used as an evaluation tool to test the options being considered, hence good for comparative analysis. SWOT helps teams play to their strengths and prepare for challenges. Strengths. What gives the project a competitive edge? The organizational strengths and their influence on the project. Weaknesses. What could hold it back? The organizational weaknesses, their impact and the risk that they pose to the project. Opportunities. What external factors can be leveraged? Threats. What could go wrong? The external elements that could be problematic for the project and the risk that they may pose. We live in a fast-changing world, and the next tool we'll look at is VUCA. VUCA helps us handle unpredictable environments by addressing volatility, uncertainty, complexity, ambiguity. Tool number 3, VUCA framework. Projects in industries like tech, healthcare, and energy must adapt quickly. VUCA helps teams prepare. It also helps managers to identify emerging opportunities, respond to new conditions, and address shortfalls and differences in outcomes. Let's now talk about each element. Volatility covers rapid market changes or economic instability, and using this information to inform or adjust estimates or identify risks. Uncertainty Unknown future risks and emerging trends, inherent risks of the project and areas where activities will have uncertain outcomes. Complexity, multiple variables affecting decision-making, how complex the project is, the source of that complexity, and how it can be managed. And ambiguity, lack of clear answers or historical data, the elements and risks which have not been identified and the potential impact of these. Why regular review of the business case is critical. A business case is not a set-and-forget document, it's a living, breathing guide. Regular reviews keep projects relevant, viable, and successful. Justifies the investment, the initial and continued investment, including agreeing the success criteria. It is the baseline for decision-making. All project approvals and funding are based on it. Considers the impacts of change. If risks increase or benefits decrease, we need to adapt. Stakeholder expectations. Investors, leadership, and teams rely on up-to-date information. Periodic reviews, done at decision gates throughout the life cycle to ensure the investment remains aligned to expected benefits. Guides all subsequent planning, used by the project manager as the starting point for developing the project management plan. Want to master project approvals? Nail these 3 things. Understand the 5 business case elements, use PESTLE, SWOT, and VUCA for strategic analysis, and regularly review and adapt the business case. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more APM insights. Got business case struggles? Share your thoughts in the comments.